Have you ever know the difference of salary and earning? Maybe yes or maybe no. So today I am going to tell you the difference of salary and earning. So let's see what is the difference between salary and earning. I made this video upon your request, so let's see what is the difference of salary and earning. Okay, so here in front of you I made a chart so that you can see earning is what is earning and what are other things. Okay, so earning can be described a variety of sources of income, and it includes wages, it includes salary, and it includes funds. So these all are the things that include in the earning. So earning is the head and all other are the department of earning, whether it is salary, whether it is wages, or whether it is funds. Now, what are the wages? Wages are the money that your employer pays you for the hours you work each week. So, this is the wages. A salary, on the other hand, is defined as the fixed amount that your employer pays you, not necessarily for the specific hours, but for completing the duties of your job. And you will receive the amount at the end of the month. This is called salary. Okay, now what is fund? Fund include royalties, rent, payment, and any form of other services that you are performing on your own behalf, not include in the wages nor in the salary. These all are the funds, and these all are the forms of earning. So earning is the head and all other are the forms of earning. Okay, so salary is something that is fixed, but earning is something that is not fixed. Earning can be vary from person to person and vary from the work you perform. Like if you are doing any private form of business, and at the end of the month you will receive earning, not salary. If you are doing any private business, so at the end of the month you do not have any fixed amount, so what you will get at the end, this is all about the earning. And earning include all other department, like earning include wages, earning include salary, and earning include funds. And earning is the source of income. So this is all about wages. This is all about the difference of salary and earning. So I hope you understand what is the difference of salary and earning. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my today's video.